Welcome to New Garden Road, where I share my love of gardening with you in a way that I hope will inform, inspire, and elevate your earthly self. Let's grow some! Let's take a look at my recently planted fall vegetable garden. I'm planning to make additional videos and update you throughout the growing season. The soil in these beds was amended with compost and cottonseed meal. I've done a mix of planting directly in the beds with seeds and using some starter 4-inch plants from a local nursery. Flowering plants are essential to the vegetable garden. They will attract beneficial insects, pollinators, and increase the overall biodiversity in your garden. Alright, y'all remember, if you've watched my tips for planting green beans video, I got this wire over these beds to keep the cats out. They'll come scratching the soil. Check out that video if you want some more tips on direct seeding and that tip on the wiring. Got some lettuce sprouts. That's good stuff right there. Seeded those about a week ago. Right here we've got some dandelion greens. These were planted about the last week of September or so. They've been in the ground about a month. I think they're ready for eating. Here's some cilantro and some lettuce that I planted from seed about a month ago. That's going real good. Ready to harvest this lettuce. You can use a cut and come again method. Cut it about an inch above the soil. It'll grow back. Okay, we're gonna get close here. Got some beets, some gold beets, some Chioggia beets. It's a Chioggia beet seedling. Getting growing. Here are my green onions. This is a bunching onion. More green beans. Have you watched my video, tips for planting green beans? These green beans have been growing for about 7 weeks. They're doing really well. They've been flowering and they're making beans. 7 weeks in. Next time you want to plant some green beans, you go watch that video, tips for planting green beans. Check it out. Here comes the chief garden inspector. Izzy Roo! Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Show little princess. Guardian of the turnips. 32 kale plants. Got about 16 curly. There's some beets. There's some winter boar. And I got a new variety this year, rainbow dino. I love the dino kale. Here's some arugula, one of my favorite leafy greens. These are spaced at 4 per square foot. I've got 6 square feet growing. It's a lot of arugula. Yeah, so you know, that's my garden. That's what I got growing. Keep your eyes on it. We're gonna watch it develop. We're gonna eat from it. I want to share some of that with you. I bet we'll need to winterize this garden too, once we get some freezing weather. It will happen. I'm gonna have to put up some row cover. Stay tuned. Izzy, you like green beans? Toro, you like arugula? Which one of you likes asparagus? Oh. Too bad you don't have no teeth. Thanks for watching. Leave me a comment or a question below, and please subscribe.